Our online freight booking and comparison service is the ultimate business tool. Whether you're shipping out a customer order, organizing delivery for an online eBay purchase, or sending excess baggage. Let's review the process so you can get started. Once you've packaged your shipment and it's ready for transportation, simply measure each parcel, length by width by height, in centimeters using a tape measure, then weigh each parcel on a scale. Once you have the dimensions and weight, go to baggagefreight.com at this URL and fill in the quick quote form like this. First, collection country, where it's coming from. From the drop-down list, select the country where the courier driver will pick up your shipment. Next, type the first few letters of the suburb name or postcode. Don't enter both of them. A drop-down list will appear and you can click on the suburb you want. It's important to select from the list, so if the list does not appear, check your spelling because something might be wrong. Delete it and try again. Next, select the country that the shipment is being delivered to. Like before, type the first few letters of the suburb name or postcode, and again, don't enter both, and select from the drop-down list. Next, select the number of parcels you're shipping. Rounding up, type the number of kilograms that your parcel weighs. Then enter the parcel dimensions. Your parcel can be packed in a box, bag, suitcase, pallet, or crate. Select the unit of measurement you entered, centimeters or inches. Be sure that you're not using millimeters, and be sure that you use the same unit of measurement throughout. Now click Get a Quote. That's all there is to it. How simple was that? A list of services will be displayed from the cheapest to the most expensive. Think about the type of service you want. Do you want the cheapest service? Do you want the fastest? Do you have a preferred carrier? Select which service you want to use and click Book Now. An address form will appear. Fill in your collection address details. This is the pickup point, also called the sender. First and last name, company name, phone, address, email address. Select the ID type, and there's a place where you can upload a scanned copy of a driver's license. This is only required when shipping freight internationally. It will not appear for domestic shipment bookings. Then the suburb, postcode, state, and country. Then there's an option for you to save the address. By saving the address information you just entered, it'll reduce your data entry time the next time you book a shipment. All you have to do is select it from a saved list. And here's the link where you select the address. Next, fill in the delivery address details. This is the person receiving the shipment. First and last name, company name. Make sure to enter the receiver's phone number, so if there are any customs or delivery issues, the receiver can be reached by phone. Their address and their email address. Make sure that the receiver's email address is correct, so that they can receive automatic tracking updates along the way. After filling in the suburb, postcode, state, country, and saving the address, click on Next. Here you select the date that the sender wants the package to be picked up. Then you select a time from the drop-down list. This is when the sender has agreed to meet the courier driver. From the drop-down list, select the reason for export. Now the customs invoice. The customs invoice section will only appear for international bookings. Customs forms are not scary or difficult. Just be detailed and specific, and we'll do the rest to help you get your shipment delivered. If you have a question about whether or not what you're sending is allowed, simply check with customs in the country where the delivery is being made. Next, check the appropriate boxes. Here's a link to our terms and conditions. Click on this link to make sure you understand your obligations before proceeding to book our web service. Finally, by checking this last box, it means you agree to accept any additional charges for incorrect declaration. This is why it's very important to be accurate at the beginning. You don't want to discover fees and surprise penalties later. Then click Next. And you can review your order. This is a summary of your booking. There's a warranty option. Here you can opt in for a warranty. This is calculated on the value of the goods being shipped. The carrier's warranty cost is automatically displayed, and you simply check the box if you want to opt in. Then check that you've read and agree to the terms if you opt in. Next, enter your payment information. At Baggage Freight, we consider the security of your information to be of paramount importance. We've implemented the most dependable security possible via 256-bit SSL encryption. These measures are designed to provide you with the peace of mind you should expect when purchasing goods over the internet. When you place your freight booking, our secure server uses SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, to connect to our website, which encrypts all the information sent from your PC. You'll also notice a padlock at the bottom right corner of this page, which also indicates that this page is secure. After you've entered your payment information, click Pay Now. An invoice will automatically be sent to the sender's email. Once our shipping consultants view your booking, another email will be sent to the sender's email address with barcoded labels and pickup instructions. The sender simply needs to print the labels and attach them to each parcel before the courier driver arrives at the agreed collection time. On the barcoded airway bill, there's a tracking number which you can enter in our Track and Trace feature to track your parcel at any time. You can trace your shipment from the moment it's collected right to the moment it's delivered. If you have any questions, please call our office, mobile, or simply chat with one of our online consultants. When speaking with one of our consultants, please refer to your order number, which can be found on the invoice first emailed. Now it's time to use this amazing business tool. Make Baggage Freight your online domestic and international courier service.